Sahih Al-Bukhari 3471, narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Once Allah's Messenger sallallaho wasallam offered the morning prayer and then faced the people and said, while a man was driving a cow, he suddenly rode over it and beat it. The cow said, "We have not been created for, but we have been created for sloughing." On that the people said, "Astonishingly glorified be Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, a cow speaks." The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "I believe this," and Abu Bakr radiallahu ta'ala anhu and Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu too believe it, although neither of them was present there. While a person was amongst his sheep, a wolf attacked and took one of the sheep. The man chased the wolf till he saved it from the wolf, whereupon the wolf said, "You have saved it from me, but who will guard it on the day of the wild beasts, when there will be no shepherd to guard them except me because of the roots and affliction?" The people said, "Surprisingly glorified be Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, a wolf speaks." The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "But I believe this," and Abu Bakr radiallahu ta'ala anhu and Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu too believe this, although neither of them was present there. See the footnote of page number 10, volume 5, Sahih Al-Bukhari 3472, narrated Abu Hurairah radiallahu ta'ala anhu. Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "A man bought a piece of land from another man, and the buyer found an earthenware jar filled with gold in the land. The buyer said to the seller, 'Take your gold, as I have bought only the land from you, but I have not bought the gold from you.' The former owner of the land said, 'I have sold you the land with everything in it.' So both of them took their case before a man who asked, 'Do you have children?' One of them said, 'I have a boy.' The other said, 'I have a girl.' The man said, 'Marry the girl to the boy and spend the money on both of them, and give the rest of it in charity.' Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.